Hey guys, in this video we're reviewing uTest, a platform that lets you earn money by testing websites, apps and digital products. But how does it actually work, and can you really make good money as a tester? Let's go ahead and break it down. So what is uTest? It's a global crowd testing platform where companies pay to have real people test their software. Testers like you or me sign up to join different projects and provide feedback on usability, functionality, and bugs. Think of it as being a quality assurance tester, but on a freelancer basis. Now, how do you make money on this platform? So once you sign up and create a profile, you can qualify for paid projects. Each project has different requirements. Some might involve testing a mobile app, others could be a website or even connected devices like smart TVs. You'll get paid either a flat rate for completing a test cycle or a bounty per bug you find. Depending on the project, payments are usually made through PayPal, and rates can change or range from a few dollars for small tasks to higher payouts for complex tasks. Now, what's great about uTest is its flexibility. You can test whenever you want, and the projects are global, so there's often work available. Plus, if you're skilled at finding bugs and writing clear reports, you can build a strong testing rating, which helps you get invited to more and better paying projects. But there are some trade-offs. So work isn't always consistent. Sometimes projects fill up quickly, so you need to check the platform often. Also, payouts vary. Some testers earn pocket money while others make a few $100s a month depending on skill and availability. So who is uTest best for? If you enjoy tech, have a sharp eye for detail, want a flexible side hustle, it's a solid option. But if you're looking for a full-time income, it's not really designed for that. It works best as a supplementary income. To wrap it up, uTest is a legit way to make money as a freelance software tester. The more skilled and active you are, the more you can earn, but consistency isn't guaranteed.